In this video, we're going to talk about upsells, cross-sales, affiliate products, and group products. But let's start with cross-sales and upsells. Cross-sales and upsells are no different than when you go to a fast food restaurant. A cross-sell is if you ask for a hamburger, they're going to ask you if you want fries with that. If you say yes to the fries, they're going to ask you if you want a large fries. The large fry is an upsell. And an upsell and a cross-sell allow you to make more money once someone has said, yes, I want to purchase from you. It's a way to maximize your earnings from that person coming to your site. So in order to add an upsell and a cross-sell, you would add your product the way you would normally add a product. Go to products, add product, give your product a name, give your product a description, put in your selling price. But your additional step is to go to linked products and add an upsell and a cross-sell. You can add more than one cross-sell product, and the way you do it is you just start typing in the name of a product. The system will show you which products match that search criteria, and you can select that item. And once you're happy with your selections for cross-sells and upsells, go to your site and test it. So I go to Cute Kittens, and there's my cross-sell. And once we add this to the cart and view our cart, we're going to see our upsell. So that's pretty easy to do an upsell and a cross-sell. Okay, so now let's talk about affiliate products. An affiliate product is a product that is owned by someone else, but they've given you permission to sell it, and they're going to give you a commission for selling their products. Adding a product has a lot of the same steps that every other product has. You give your product a name, you give it a description, but under the product data, you are going to choose external or affiliate product. When you agree to sell affiliate product, you get a URL with your affiliate ID in it, so you add that URL to your product. And once you've completed all of the information, you hit update and your affiliate product is on your site. So the difference is you use an external link for your product, and then you would update it and test it and make sure it's on your site properly. Now the next type of products that we're going to talk about are grouped products. And I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this because most people aren't going to use this function. An example of a group product would be if you're selling a music album. So you would have your group product would be your album, and your children products would be your individual music tracks. So the first step is to create a grouped product parent. You give it a name, a long description, a short description. But under product data, you would tell the system it's a grouped product. You would set a featured image. You would give it a product category. And then when you're finished, you click Publish. Then you create your children products. Now the children products are simple products, so you set them up exactly the same as a simple product. The only difference is when you go down to linked products, you choose a group that they belong to. And once you're finished, you click Update. And you keep adding as many simple products as you need to your group. And once you've completed that, you go to your site and you test it to make sure it's behaving the way you expected it to behave. If it isn't, you go back and edit your products. This ends our videos on entering products into WooCommerce. The most important steps are testing, testing, testing. And once you get your site as you're setting it up, before you go live, you can add products, delete products, add products, delete products, and just keep testing, testing, testing. Because as you do that, you'll become more comfortable with the process. It'll make it easier. And also, you're ready to go live, you'll have the confidence that your site is working the way you want it to. So let's talk about tags. A tag is a way WordPress identifies specific items. In the case of an online store, you can put a tag in your products which identifies aspects of that product You can then add a widget onto your site so that those tags are searchable by people. If we're talking about t-shirts, we could put black, white, red. We could have a tag small, medium, or large. If our site has to do with images, we can put in tags German Shepherd, Golden Retriever, Cocker Spaniel. And then that way, people who are interested only in a specific type of item can search on that tag. So now let's go set up the widget and then go into the products to see where we set up the tags. First of all, to set up the widget, you would go to Appearance, Widgets. When you go to Widgets, you will see a widget called WooCommerce Product Tags. You can activate that widget by dragging it up under Primary or on your footer. Now we've told the system to put our cart, our product tags, and an ad space on the right-hand side of our site. Now if we go to Products, we can add product tags, black, t-shirt, white, any tags we want. Hit Update. And when we go to our site, we will see the tags over here. The one that is larger, it's because it's the one that is most widely used. But if we click on white, it will take us to products with a tag in it for white. If we take it to t-shirt, it'll take us to all products with t-shirts in the tagline. And if we click on German Shepherd, it will take us to all pictures with a tag German Shepherd in it. And the same with black. So any of our tags that are over here, people can search on your website for that particular aspect of a product. And that's it for this video. In this video, we're going to create coupons for your store. WooCommerce coupons. Add a coupon. I have a few set up. So add a coupon. Give your coupon a name. In this case, it's going to be 10% off. Give your coupon a description. Then decide whether it's going to be a dollar amount or a percentage amount. If it's going to be based on a cart or a product. Put in your coupon amount. Put in your expiry date. Decide whether you're going to allow free shipping with this coupon or not. Then go to usage restriction. Put in any minimum spend that you want. And in our case, I'll put in $40, which means someone has to spend $40 in order to redeem this coupon. A maximum spend. Check the box if this coupon can't be used in conjunction with other coupons. And you can exclude sales items if you'd like. You can also restrict the coupons to specific products, or you can exclude specific products. In our case, I'm excluding the heavy item. You can set up specific to have your coupon valid in, or you can exclude different categories as well. You can limit the usage per coupon or per user. Once you're happy, and then as always, you want to test your coupon to make sure that you've set up the parameters correctly. Go to your store, add a couple of items to your cart, and then view your cart, paste in your coupon code, apply the coupon, and we can see that it's $4, just 10% of our order, so it's working properly. So let's go back to coupons and create a coupon for free shipping. You would add a new coupon, give it a name, and then give it a description. You could leave it as a cart discount. You leave the amount blank and tick allow free shipping. You can have an expiry date if you'd like. And then just like our other coupon, you're going to go and set up different restrictions. I restricted the heavy item from free shipping because I know that heavy item is going to be more costly to ship. And then you can set up usage restrictions as well and hit update. And then as usual, we're going to go over to our shop and we're going to test the coupon. Everything you do when you're setting up, you test. You don't want to get a surprise when your site is live and you've given someone free shipping and it costs you $100 to ship it. You also don't want someone to go to your site thinking they're going to get free shipping and then your coupon doesn't work. We're going to apply our coupon. And now we can see that they have free shipping. So our coupon is working correctly. And that's it for this video. Now let's set up your shipping in WooCommerce. The first step is to go to Products, Shipping Classes, and set up different shipping classes. Now I have 4 set up: flat rate, free shipping, heavy, and extra heavy. It's very easy to set up a new shipping class. You give it a name. The slug would just be the title, dashes in between. You can give it a description. Then add a new shipping class. Now let's go to WooCommerce, Settings, Shipping. Under the General Options, you're going to go down the page and choose what options you want. For shipping calculations, enable shipping. Do you want the calculator on the cart page? Do you want to hide the shipping costs? Pretty sure you can all read. Shipping display mode, whether you want it radio buttons or a drop down. Shipping destination, default to the shipping address, default to the billing address, only ship to the user's billing address, restrict shipping to specific locations. What do you want your default shipping method to be? Hit Save Changes. Now let's go to flat rate. If you want flat rate, you enable the shipping method. How do you want it to be displayed in your store? Who gets to choose this type of shipping? The tax status and the cost per order. Now you can add additional costs. For instance, I can add our over 100-pound class, or charge for that class, a minimum handling fee. And then here, these are add-on rates. So it's the label that's going to be displayed on your site, the cost, and how the system is going to charge the tax. So it can be per order, per class, or per item. And you can add additional costs as well by using the same method. So it's the label, the cost, and the type of cost. And if you can't remember, there's a little help button there. Hit Save Changes when you're happy. And then you need to test your taxes. Go to Products, edit your product, go to Shipping, and make sure your shipping class is set properly. Then go to your site and make sure your shipping is being calculated correctly. By adding something to your cart, I'm going to choose a heavy item, add it to your cart, and view cart. And there's our flat rate and our overnight rate. The flat rate, if we go back to WooCommerce, Settings, Shipping, Flat Rate, now we can tell that our regular flat rate for the heavy item should be $5 plus $20 plus a $2 shipping charge, which is $27. And that is what the system has calculated. For overnight, it's going to be additional $7.50, and it calculated it correctly. And you do that for every setting that you have to make sure that it's correct. International delivery and local delivery, it's the same type of setup. International, if you're going to enable this, you can tell the system what countries you want to ship to, the cost per order, and a minimum handling fee. So the way I have it set up, it'd be 2.5% of the order or $2, whichever is greater. And then you hit Save Changes, and you do the same for local delivery, and always test that your shipping is correct. The WooCommerce plugin that we're using gives you the ability to charge shipping, but only very, very simple shipping. Now, the one thing I didn't talk about was free shipping. Obviously, free shipping is free shipping. That's it for now.